Good morning everyone. Second terminal examination. Class 4. Subject is mental health. For second terminal examination, our syllabus is exercise 51 to 60. Everyone do math in your mental math book. Exercise 51 to 60. I saw some math. Exercise 51. I saw two number math. Math number 2. Prime factor of 84. I take prime factor. We take a prime factor means LCM. Okay. We take LCM with 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. Again we take with 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. Then we take with 3. 3 7 ja 21. Our prime factor is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. This is answer. Never multiply those numbers. Okay. I solve 10 number math of exercise 51. Math is $1 US is equal to rupees 40 rupees 55 paisa. 80 US dollar, how much rupees? Then I multiply 80 with 40.55. 40 rupees 55 paisa. We multiply this 40 rupees 55 paisa multiply 80. 0 5 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 4 is 0. I put the symbol of multiply, then multiply with 8. 8 5 ja 40, carrying over hand 4. 8 5 ja 40 plus 4 44, carrying over hand 4. 8 0 ja 0. When we multiply with number to 0, answer is 0. Okay. Then we added 4, carrying over hand 4. We write here 4. 4 plus 0 4. 8 4 ja 32. Then we added those numbers 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 2 and 3. Here are decimals after 2-digit number. So we count here 1, 2, put the symbol here decimal. Answer is 3,244 rupees. It is 80 US dollar. Okay. Next math is exercise 52. Exercise 52. Math number 3. The equivalent fraction of 1 by 5 with numerator 9 is. Equivalent means table. We read table. One step 1 by 5. Next is 2 by 10. We read the table of 1 to the 2, 5 to the 10. We read 9 times of the table. Okay. 3 is 5 3 is 15. 4 is 5 4 is 20. 5 is 1 5 is 5. 5 5 is 25. 1 6 is 6. 1 5 6 is 30. 1 7 is 7. 5 7 is 35. 1 8 is 8. 5 8 is 40. 1 9 is 9 and 5 9 is 45. This is equivalent fraction. Exercise 52, math number 3. Okay, everyone follow. I saw one more math of exercise 52, math number 10. Math is 59 decimal 43 plus 27 decimal 61 minus 41 decimal 27. Everyone so rough in your copy. Okay. First I add those numbers. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10's 0 carrying overhand 1. We put the decimal. 9 plus 7 16 carrying overhand 1 plus 17 17 7 carrying overhand 1. 2 plus 5 7 carrying overhand 1 8. Write here this number 41 decimal 27. Then subtract those numbers. 7 from 4. But 4 is less than 7. So take carry, 4 became 14. We subtract 7 from 14. Answer is 7. 0 became 9. We subtract 2 from 9. Answer is 7. Put the decimal symbol. 7 became 6 because 7 give carrying over hand. Then we subtract 1 from 6. Answer is 5. Then we subtract 4 from 8. Answer is 4. That is our answer. We solve math number 11. Take away 5 tens and 4 ones from 100 to gets. We write 100. 5 tens 4 means, mistake. 5 tens 4 means 504. Okay. We subtract. From 600, we write 600. 5 tens 4 means 504. Then we subtract 4 from 0. 0 is no number, so take carrying overhand 10. 4 from 10. Answer is 6. 0 became 9. There are no numbers, so we write here 9. 6 became carrying overhand, so 6 became 5. 5 same number, so we cross. Okay. Everyone practice all maths in your copy. Okay. Exercise 53. Math number 2. I did math. Out of 3,254 bags of cement, 1,022 were sold. Our total bag is 3,254. I sold 1,122. I sold 1,122 number of bags. Then we subtract those number. Okay. 3,254. Subtract 1,122. 2 from 4, 2 from 5, 3, 1 from 2, 1 from 3, 2. Number of bags add to solve this. Okay, that is our answer. I saw math number 9 of exercise 53. Express 15 divided 8 as a fraction. 50 divided 8 as a fraction. Divide 8 as a fraction. We write 15 by 8. Okay, then we divide. Everyone saw graph. 8 1 ja 8. We subtract 15 from 8. 7. Answer is 1 of 7 by 8. I saw exercise 54. I saw the exercise 54's math number 5. Reduce 40 by 100. Reduce means lowest term. Reduce means lowest term. I cut 0 and 0. That is 4 by 10. Those numbers cut by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Those numbers cut with any one number, not another number. Okay? 2 by 5. That is our answer. This is lowest term. I solve one more math of exercise 54. Math number 7. I some choose hard math for you. Okay, I solve this math. 1000 less than 15,87,950. Less than means subtract. So we subtract 15,87,950. Okay, we subtract 1000. Ones, 10, 100,000. Put the symbol of subtract or minus. 0 from 5, 5. 0 from 1, 1. 0 from 9, 9. 1 from 7. Answer is 6. There are no numbers, so we write here 8. There are no numbers, so we write here 5 and 1. That is our answer. I solve exercise 55. I solve some math of exercise 55. I solve math number 1. I read this math. Ram reads 1 by 10 of a book every day. In how many days he will complete that books? Okay. Suppose total books page number of 1. Okay. So we write here 1. And he read 1 by 10 books every day. So we subtract from 1 by 10. We take LCM 10. We multiply 10 1 ja 10 minus we write here 10 10 ja. We divide 10 to 10. 10 1 ja 10. Then multiply 1. We subtract 9 by 10. I solve one math more. Math number 6. 1 by 9 of 81 divide 3. Of means multiply. If divide and of write in any math, then first we solve of number. Okay, first we solve of number. We cut 9 and 81. 9 1 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81. Then we multiply 9 1 ja 9. Once never is not value, so we don't write 1. Then we write divide 3. We take divide 9 by 3. 3 by 9. 3 3 ja 9. Answer is 3. exercise 56. Exercise 56, math number 8. Math is 45, which is represented as Roman numerals. 45's Roman numerals is Roman number is X, L, V. Math number 10 of exercise 56. I read math. When product of a century and a dozen is divided by 25, the quotient is and the remainder is. I saw in previous videos product means multiply. Okay. Then 1 century is equal to 1 century is equal to 100. 1 dozen is equal to 12. I multiplied those numbers. 100 multiply 12. 12 1 are 12. I put 2 zeros. Then be divided by 25. We did the table of 25 4 times. 25 4 ja 100. 25 4 ja 100. We write here 0. Then we did table of 25 8 times. 25 8 ja 200. Same number 0 0 is cut, 0 0 cut, 2 2 cut. Here as quotient and remainder. Quotient is 48, but remainder is 0. That is our answer. Okay. Every math solve in your copy. I solve exercise 57. Exercise 57. Math number 1. 1 million. 1 million. How much? 1000. 1 million, how much? 1000. Million means 10 lakhs. Million means 10 lakhs. We write here 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Here are 1000. So we got 1000. 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, 100, 1000. We got 1000. There are 2 digits, means 100. We write here 100. 1 million means 100,000. Okay? 1 million means 100,000. Next math is 11 number of exercise 57. 21 decimal 73 minus 64 decimal 57 plus 89 decimal 20. Okay. First we solve add number. Here are no symbol. This is but I know this is add. Okay. This numbers before symbol is subtract. This is subtract symbol. This numbers before add symbol. So this is adds number. So we added add plus is plus. Okay. So first we add this number and this number. 3 plus 1 4. 2 plus 7, 9. Put the decimal. Here is decimal. Then 9 plus 1, 10 is 0, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10, carry plus 1 hand. 11, 10 plus 1, 11. Subtract 64 decimal 57. If you don't do this, then you take rough here. Okay, I saw one more, one in rough. 110 decimal 94. I saw rough. Okay, 64 decimal 57. I saw rough of subtract, not add. We subtract 7 from 4. 4 became 14. 7 from 14. Answer is 7. 9 give carrying over and 1. So 9 became 8. We subtract 5 from 8. Answer is 3. Put the symbol of decimal. We subtract 4 from 0. 0 is no number. So take carry. 0 became 10. We subtract 4 from 10. 6. 1 became 0. Then we subtract 6 from 0. 0 is no number. So take carry. 0 is became 10. We subtract 6 from 10. Answer is 4. 1 is no. So answer is 46 decimal 37. Okay. Everyone practice at your home all maths. I saw some math of exercise 58. Everyone follow YouTube. Exercise 58 I solve math number 10. I think this is hard for you. Okay, so I solve this math. Math is 9 meter of cloth cost rupees 450. 9 meters cloth cost rupees 450. Cost of 15 meter cloth is. We write 9 meter of cloth cost rupees, sorry, there are no place, 9 meter cloth cost equal to rupees 450. Then we find out 1 meter cloth price. Then we find out 50 meter cloth price. Okay. So then 1 meter cloth cost is equal to less than 9 meters. So we divide 450 divided 9. Answer is 50. Answer is 50 rupees. Okay. Then we find out price of 50 meter cloth is 50 meter cloths price is more than 1 meter price. So 50 multiply 50. Answer is 2500. 2500 rupees. Okay. Everyone, practice at your home. Thank you.